What is up, guys? We have another exciting feature to discuss. So, LottieFiles has just added the ability to do collaboration with your designs through the platform. And instead of just talking about the theory of this new awesome feature, we're going to show you today how to build a website with an animation that's been worked on by multiple people. Now, in order for us to do this can't be a one-man band. We're going to need two things. We're going to need a designer and we're going to need an idea. And luckily, I have my friend Anthony here with me, who's going to help us see exactly how it is that we can go about doing both. Anthony, say hi to the
Hi,
people.
Chris. Hi, everyone. Thanks, Chris, for inviting me for this wonderful collaboration. Yeah.
Now, Anthony, you are half of the solution, but the other thing we need is an idea. Anything come to mind? What can we build today?
Let's build a Microsoft designer.
You're on the wait list too, huh? Okay. They say it's supposed to be the next Canva Killer, right? So I agree with you. Instead of us just waiting around, why don't we build our own tool? Why don't we build a product called Graphically? Graphically will be our own design tool where we can control the entire workflow and process. But for people to find out about Graphically, they need a website to sign up on. So I have a concept for a design, and I want to show you very quickly what it's going to look like. I have this landing page and I have the logo. I have the text and the copy. But what I'm missing is I need an animation, Anthony. Something to fill this big hole on my screen. Do you think you can help me out?
Definitely, Chris. It's already in your LottieFiles account. Yeah. Please have a look.
I'm going to have to start calling you Flash, Anthony. So I'm back over on my LottieFiles dashboard, and I can see that Anthony's actually uploaded the animation already. This is beautiful. Let's check it out, Anthony. Let's see your work. Oh, this is wonderful. So I'm good with this. I'm going to say that this is now in progress. Let's download it. What we're going to download it as is the JSON file, because that will allow us to put it straight in the code on Wix. So let's download and open in our favorite IDE. And we're just going to copy and paste everything and go back to our Wix website and add our Lottie element. Do that. We go into the Embed and Social tab. We add the Lottie animation. We drop it wherever we want on the screen. We do some minor tweaking. To do that, we just need to tackle and get the ID of the element. So that would be Lottie embed. Change the source and put it as the JSON object. So let's do that. Let's see how it looks on our site. If we go into preview, we should see everything fine now. And here we have a beautiful design. Wait a minute. Anthony, there's one thing that's missing. It's missing the logo. We don't want somebody coming and seeing this site and not knowing it's ours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the feedback directly on the element. So let's go back over to LottieFiles. And I'm going to leave Anthony some glowing reviews. I'm going to say, add Anthony, this is amazing, but we're missing the logo. And as soon as I comment this, Anthony's going to get knowledge that this update has happened on his design, and we're going to change it to needs review. And then I will wait patiently for as long as it takes for Anthony to update his design. And then it goes back over to Anthony right now.
So, guys, Chris provided me the logo file. In the meanwhile, I'm using the platform called Adobe XD. You can use either Figma or any other tools. And what we are going to do is we have to just place the logo into our design file so that let's align it here properly. And why I'm using the Adobe XD is you can easily import the files into the After Effects in a single click. For that, you have to click File, Export and After Effects. With a single click of the button, the logo will appear on the screen. And right now, I'm just did some basic animations, and mostly what you have to do means you have to do the vector files so that LottieFiles will be a very shorter size and everything. The only expectation is you can use a PNG image if you need to do. Yeah. And right now we can place the logo. So here is our logo file. So what we are doing means we are just click and drag the file. So here we have, and there is a final output. What I did is I just added the drop shadow, so give some depth to that one. Yeah. Now we have to upload this animation into the Lottie files. How can we do that one? For that we have to go Windows, Extension and Lottie files. Using this plugin, it is very useful to upload our Lottie animation into websites. So for that, make sure you have to rename the file before uploading, so it's very easy to find what animation you are going to export. Once you click the render button, it will take some times to render the file because we are adding the png image, so it will take certain times. Now we have our animation with the logo. Instead of uploading, because we already uploaded the file to Chris, right? So what we have to do means we download the json file, lottie json, and we have to give a name for that one. Yeah. So let's save the file, and once we get back to the LottieFile platform, there is a new feature called version history. So that Chris mentioned right here, he have a changes. So what we have to do means upload the new version and click the browse button and click the final output which you have to submit. Then click the update button. Yeah. So what it will do means instead of doing a multiple corrections, and you can do it in the same platform itself. As you see, the corrections has been done. So what we have to do means we can mention this. So we can simply say corrections done and comment there and say need reviews. Yeah. So it's over to you, Chris.
That means we're back in action. All right, I got a little notification here. So that means something has happened. And I think I smelled some cooking all the way across the world. So I see that Anthony has given me an update here. So that means that I can now check my LottieFiles version history and see what's going on. So I'm looking and I see there's a new version. Anthony's uploaded it. And so I can now just download this. Oh, the logo's there and it's looking good. And so I can get the JSON from his file. We're going to open it up, follow the same process that we did before. We're going to copy all of it to ensure we get the full animation. And then we're going to switch back over to our design tool and replace the old JSON with the new. So what that means for our website is that we should be able to now see the new animation with the logo. Oh man, this looks good. I mean, from the design point of view, I think what I would do just to make sure that we get that maximum impact is just a few design tweaks. Maybe I'll make it sticky instead of just one position. I'll move it up a little bit. And yeah, I think I'll just change the speed a little bit. And I mean, Anthony, I want to hear your opinion. What do you think of what you're seeing? When we look at this together, do you feel like this is your company that you're proud of? Did we just build a company, or did we build a company?
Definitely, yeah. It's wonderful because with the tech code wizard, it's nothing impossible.
And so this has just been a brief taste of it. If you haven't tried out this new collaboration feature like Anthony and I just did, feel free to sign up on the LottieFiles platform and give it a spin. See how it works. No more are we waiting for an email to go all the way across the world and then be misinterpreted or lost in the spam folder. We're adding comments directly to the animations. This is going to change the whole design workflow and development workflow for any of your products. So my name has been Chris. Anthony has been here with me, and we just created a new business using the new LottieFiles collaboration platform. Until next time, thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. Yeah.